presentation about my fellowship experience from TU Graz. My name is Jan, how you can see. All this session, how we are here, is supported by our European Social Fund, ESF. This same project supported me in my staying in Austria. I was there half year. So I'm going to speak about Technische Universität Graz. Then Professor Leitgeb, this man was my supervisor there. Then I'm going to speak about joining to his team, about reviews, about potential cooperation and benefits for my co-workers. At first, some introducing of Technical University of Graz. This university was founded in the year 1911. At this university there are around 20,000 students. This is very similar to our university, to HB. There are 7 faculties. This is the same like here. I was on Faculty of Electrical and Information Engineering. The faculties I divided into institutes, of course, and the name of institute was Institute of Microwave and Photonic Engineering. In this institute works my supervisor. So I want to introduce him to you. He has a team. There is around 9 persons. There are some doctors, some PhD students, and master students. If you can go to Scopus, you can find some information about Eric Leitgeb. You can see this is maybe two weeks old information. There is around 166 documents, and you can see how many citations he has and which is the age index. The next activity of Eric Leitgeb is he is chair of many international conferences. He is head of many international projects, and he is reviewer of impact journals, for example, and other things which he has to do. I can say this is very busy man. So join to the team. The team of Professor Leitgeb deals with optical wireless communication links. This is the communication via atmosphere and uses the light for communication. In the campus of TU Graz there are several links, and they do measurements, evaluations, and creating of atmospheric models. I have to say the team focuses on theory more than practice. If you have any experience from universities which are abroad, you can say that a lot of them do more theory than practice. They use softwares MATLAB or Emacs. MATLAB, this is very known software, I think, and Emacs, this is software for design of lenses and optical systems and so on and so on. One result of my staying there is our applications in international conference and in journals. For example, last year I presented one article in Python conference, which was in Graz. AIEEE, this is our journal. In this journal I published my other article, and others' articles are in hand. Now I have said Professor Leike writes many reviewers for impact journals. He asked me if I can help him. I said of course, and I participate in several reviewers and editorial boards of this journal was informed about my participation. And after my return here to our university, the cooperation is continuing because I was asked for other reviews, which I did. Here you can see some journals in which I wrote some reviews, journals and conferences. I was there a half year, therefore it could be some cooperation with TU Graz. I can say Professor Leike is the most important person dealing with optical wireless communication in Austria. Therefore, there is a possibility to write or use some Czech Austria calls and write and prepare some project, or there are possibilities to use other collective calls, and now we are doing a proposal project of international action culture. This is a Czech organization for the project, and in this project should be the other colleagues from Prague and from academic science and so on and so on. This is in hand. Benefits for my co-workers. Thanks to friendship with Professor Leike, he reserved a time and he will come to our department and he will stay a few days, and he will prepare and speak speeches on the topic of optical wireless communication. On that occasion, Professor Leike will see our workplace, our laboratories and our equipment, and we want to discuss with him about future cooperation projects, for example, Horizon 2020. At the same time, we want to discuss about the directions which we can deal with research and what could we do at our department, because his experiences are much greater than our. I think he can help us in this direction. So, and this is picture from Graz. I don't know if you were there. This is the main square, and this is from Advent time in Austria. This is a very funny time. You can see there is a lot of people drink wine and so on and so on. On the hill there is the clock tower. I can say this is clock tower. This is on the next picture. picture on the left, and on the right side there is the picture from Devil Festival, which is there each year at the start of December. Graz is very nice city. This is the second biggest city in Austria, and I recommend you to visit this city. So this is all about my presentation, which deals with my fellowship in Graz. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, you can ask, of course. Yes?
You said that the department in Graz is working with optical wireless communication.
Yeah.
The professor is one of the most experienced in Austria. Can you tell me, did they do anything with the quantum cryptography? Quantum case radiation?
With quantum cryptography?
Yes.
I don't have any experience with this. I think Professor Leiger does not deal with this. Maybe some other guy, but I am not sure. Maybe you are right, but I don't have any experience with this topic.
And just one more question about the fellowship. This fellowship was also supported by Erasmus Exchange, Erasmus sponsors?
No. In this project, when it was written, there were written 3 people, me, Martin Mikules, and some other guy, and we could spend a half year in selected universities. And this project pays our stay in them.
So, no other questions? Okay, thank you very much.